Welcome to your Interior Design YouTube channel. Transform your dining room into a haunted heaven with spooky Halloween decor ideas that will delight and frighten your guests. Start with airy table settings featuring bare tablecloths, blood red napkins, and antique silverware. Add a dramatic centerpiece with a mix of fox comics, black of movement, and suspense for an extra creepy ambiance. Dim the lights and use flickering LED candles or string lights shaped like pumpkins and skeletons. Incorporate spooky wall art such as vintage inspired Halloween posters or do it yourself exotic custards of witches and black cats. Enhance the airy atmosphere with a playlist of haunting sound effects or spooky music in the background. Don't forget to decorate the dining chairs with ghostly white covers or creepy fabric. Finally, add some fun and fare with themed underwear like plants and glasses adorned with spiders, witches, or jack-o'-lanterns. With these best dining room decorations, your Halloween generating will be memorable and a spine-chilling experience. Thanks for watching. Must subscribe and like Interior Design channel.